and one-to-one and onto both is called bijective function. Combination of one-to-one and onto is called bijective function. Right? Okay. 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 Given function is injective if it is one-to-one function, and it is surjective if it is onto function, and the given function is bisective if it is a one-to-one and one-to-one, and so the inverse of a bisective function is also a function. So we say that the bisective function is invertible. The inverse of bisective function is also a function. So we say that the function is invertible if it is a bisective function. कुनै function bisective function छ भने मात्रै त्यसको inverse exist गर्दो रहेछ, and we say that the function is invertible. यो स्क्रिन देखिरहेछ हो? स्क्रिन फ्रिज भएको थियो अघि हो? Okay. Now, for the inverse of a function, we define here inverse of a function as let f from a to b and g from b to a. F from a to b and g from b to a be two functions. The functions f and g are said to be invertible. The functions f and g are said to be invertible. The functions f and g are said to be invertible if f naught g of x is equal to identity function f naught g मात्रै भन्दा पनि हुन्छ यसलाई. If f naught g is identity function on f naught g is identity function on यहाँ g को function g कहाँबाट सुरु भयो हेर त, function g सेट b बाट सुरु भयो नि, पहिला function g को पाली आउँछ हैन. f naught g is equal to identity function on b, ib भनेको identity function on b, and g naught f of x, g naught f is equal to g naught f भन्यो भने f बाट सुरु भयो नि हैन, इमेजेस निकाल्नलाई function f starts from a, so it is identity function on a. जहाँबाट जुन एलिमेन्टबाट सुरु भएको त्यही एलिमेन्टमा फेरि आइपुग्छ भने that is the inverse of the function. Let f from a to b and g from b to a be two functions. These two functions f and g are said to be invertible if f naught g is equal to identity function on b and g naught f is equal to identity function on a. f naught g मा हामीले अपरेसन सुरु गर्दा पहिला फंक्सन g ले इमेज दिन्छ, एउटा फंक्सन g ले इमेज दिने भनेको डोमेन एलिमेन्ट b बाट स्टार्ट हुन्छ, so it is identity function on b we can say. And here next g naught f starts from f, g naught f भनेको f बाट स्टार्ट हुन्छ. The function f is defined from set a to set b, so it is identity function on a. यस्तो छ भने मात्रै these two functions f and g are said to be inverses of each other. You can take some examples, okay? Let f of x be equal to x plus 5 and g of x be equal to g of x be equal to x minus 5. Then let us find f naught g and g naught f. Okay? g naught f of x is equal to, then g naught f of x is equal to कति हुन्छ g of f of x. This is equal to g of f of x is equal to x plus 5. Now refer the function g and substitute x is equal to x plus 5 in the function g. You will get it is x plus 5 minus 5. This is equal to x. It is an identity function. G naught f of x is equal to x नै आयो. Function f x element बाट start भएको थियो भने the final image is also x, means it is an identity function. Similarly, f naught g of x is equal to f of g of x. Okay, f naught g of x is equal to f of g of x. This is equal to f of g of x is equal to, we can substitute x minus 5, f of x minus 5. This is equal to, for the function f, substitute x is equal to x minus 5. For the function f, substitute x is equal to x minus 5, and you will get it is x minus 5 plus 5. X minus 5 plus 5 is equal to x again. G naught f of x is an identity function, and f naught g of x is also an identity function. That is, g naught f of x is equal to f naught g of x. This is an identity function x. So the functions f and g are the inverses functions of each other. So the functions f and g are inverses of each other. Inverses of each other. It means that inverse of function f is g and inverse of function g is f. Inverses of each other. अब यसको एप्लिकेसन हामी के गर्न सक्छौं भने नि यसको जुन फर्महरु छ नि हैन, जस्तो सुकै फर्ममा दिएको छ फंक्सनहरु जम्मै पनि, if they are inverses of each other, then it is possible to find the composite of the two functions, that is always an identity function. Okay, let me take an example. Let f of x is equal to ax plus b, and g of x is equal to px plus q be two functions such that f and g are inverses of each other. Find g naught f of 3 and f naught g of minus 1. In your find out it is given that f of x is equal to ax plus b and g of x is equal to bx plus q are two functions, so that these are inverses of each other. If these two functions are inverses of each other, then their composite is an identity function. Then composite identity function. Okay, composite identity function. So then we can say that here the functions f and g are inverses of each other. So g naught f of x is equal to x. The functions for its solution. अरु केही सिम्प्लिफिकेसन गए a b q यिनीहरुको भ्यालु निकाल्नु पर्ने भएन है. The functions f and g are inverses of each other. Inverses of each other. So g naught f of x is equal to x and f naught g of x is equal to x. Therefore, g naught f of 3 is equal to 3 and f naught g of minus 1 is equal to minus 1. Okay, simply यति मात्रै गरे भने यो कन्डिसन अप्सन बुझ्नु पर्यो है. And f naught g of minus 1 is equal to 1. Since these two functions are inverses of each other, then we get g naught f of x is equal to x and f naught g of x is also equal to x. By this way, we can find the images without finding the values of a, b, p, and q. A, b, p, q yesterday or something like that. Simply we know that f of x and g of x are inverses of each other, so their composite function is an identity function. In a composite function, whenever that is an identity function. Okay. Now we come to the next. If let me take the next problem. F naught g of x is equal to 2x plus 3 and g of x is equal to x minus 1. Find f of if f naught g of x is equal to 2x plus 3 and g of x is equal to x minus 1, it is the application of composite function. Okay, find f of x. For this problem, f naught g of x is a composite of two functions f and g. Function g of x